Hey, hello everybody, welcome back to Hands On with BLG. I am BLG. I am Lefty. I am Righty. Today, we're going to make chocolate mint brownies. Yeah, it just sounds good. I was at the Walmart the other day, going down the bakery section like that, looking at that over there, nope, looking at some of that, and what's this? Mint and chocolate pieces? Grabbed them. They look like this here. Mint fudge flavored baking chunks. They look like that. So, for our brownies, what we got shot in this bowl to start with is 1.5 kilos of nose candy. Booger sugar. No, this is 2 cups of sugar, and I mixed it together with 1.5 cups of flour. Or, yeah, 1.5 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar. Stirred it. Visual demonstration, if you will. Right? So we got that rye chop. Now, this is pretty easy. 1 cup of vegetable oil. Boink! 1 cup vegetable oil. Right goes right in now. Now, I have 1/2 of a cup, right here, plus 2 teaspoons of your basic cocoa. I prefer dark cocoa, but I don't have any on me. Let me just stir this. I'm running it through a sifter real quick. Get out most of the chunks so that it comes out smooth, baby. Smooth. That should be about close enough. There's a couple of little things in here left. I really don't care. Off of me goes you. Right? Okay, so we got this in here. Now, I want to throw, this is a real hard recipe, folks. Pay attention. I want 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of salt is going to go in here. Get off of me. There we go. I want 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons. Yeah, I'm going to do 2. I like the vanilla extract with it. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Or pure vanilla. You might want to go 1 teaspoon if you got pure vanilla. Okay? Not sure. So, I've got that in here. I want to do 4 beaten eggs. 4 beaten eggs. And that, my friends, is it for now. We want to mix this up. So I'm just going to mix this with a spatula, fold it around till she all gets mixed. I should have got out my beaters, but I didn't. Hi, I'm Lefty. But I'm going to mix this up real good here. And I'll see you back here. That is mixed. Alrighty. Now you can see we got her all mixed up pretty well. Looks all smooth like this. I'm going to put a few of my baking, mint fudge flavored baking chunks. I'm going to pour a couple of them in here. I'm not going to use the whole bag. What do you think, I'm fucking crazy? No, I just want a nice little hint. I'm going to make me some cookies and shit out of the rest of these things. But I just want a few of them in here. Little surprises, if you will. I got the oven coming up to 350 Fahrenheit, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to mix a few of these in here like that. Make sure everybody gets a little bit in there. Maybe a touch more. I just want to be sure they're all spread in here evenly. And stir them around. Just flip them through. Flip them through, baby. Just like that. Just like that. Yeah. Now we're talking. All right. All mixed up smooth. Next step. What I did here was take me a baking pan. I don't know what size it is. I don't know. Maybe an 8 by 12 or something. I don't know how this size. Does it say on it? Of course not. I got this size baking pan. It's a bigger one than I'm used to, that I usually use, because I wanted to go thinner on the brownies. But what I did was I sprayed it with some no stick spray, and I trimmed down some parchment paper. See, if you can see in here, I trimmed the corners. See the little corners? I trimmed them so that they overlap each other and stuck them in. This could be my greatest attempt ever. Ready? In goes our brownies. brownie batter. Swing. In it goes. Hop on in da. Get on in here just like this. See? Nicely done. I'm going to smooth it out. Smooth it around a little bit. Here's and there's. 2s and 4s, people. 2s and 4s. That's right. Right arm, right? Right arm. Right arm. Okay. Smoothing it out. Just going to go to the corners here. We'll push her over this way some so we can get this corner over chaw. Just like this here. Beautiful, baby. Beautiful. Spread that out. Spread out. There we go. Now that there oven. Don't eat raw eggs, BLG. Stop. I eat them all the time. In my batters and stuff. So, oven's going to come up to 350. It is at 290 right now. This is going to come up to 350. Our brownies, I'll put them in there. I'll show that. And they're going to bake, depending on how thick you're making them. If you're using an 8x8 casserole, 40 to 45 minutes at 350. These, I'm going to test them. There's no real time for the recipe. The top won't be shiny anymore, and the middle will be set. You can kind of poke it, and it won't go mush, mush, mush. Okay? The middle meaning like right here, this part. You'll be able to poke it, right? Poke, poke, poke. And this won't shine anymore. It'll just kind of haze over. Just about like that. So, I'll see you when the oven comes up 50 more degrees. We'll pop these in, and we'll cook them up. Yeah, be right back. Hokely there, good people. Here we go. Fudge mint chocolate brownies going in 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I will come back and we'll check and see if they're done. I'm going to check these in 30 minutes for the size of the pan I'm using. So I'll see you back here in about 30 minutes. Okie dokie, here we are, folks. It has been 30 minutons. I can't get a hold of the hot pads. Our brownies are coming out of the oven. I checked them, and as you can see, they're not quite shiny on the top, and a toothpick comes out clean. So, there you go. Chocolate, mint, fudge, chip, chocolate, brownies. Sounds good enough. So, hope you liked the episode. I gotta let those cool before I cut them and turn them into poop. So, anyways, hope you liked the episode. Thanks for sticking with me. Pass the word, people. Pass the word. Let's let the channel keep growing. We're doing good. And, yeah, 4 hands on one BG, that one fucker for now. I guess I'm BLG or whatever letters you want to arrange. I don't care today. This is BLG, don't give a shit about anything day. I'm Lefty. I know I'm Lefty. You know I'm Lefty. The cute one. And I'm Righty. We'll see you next time, folks. Until then, peace out, people. Just peace out. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.